Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 10:25 in Honolulu, 4:25 in New York on Monday, April 25th, 2016, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. We do have a moderate rally in some of the precious metals, gold specifically trading up about $9 on the day, 1239.10. That's our current print. Now it's traded to a low of 1231.30 and a high of 1243.80. And as I said, roughly trading just under 1240 an ounce. Silver also important. We do have open positions in silver, as well as open positions in gold. Silver just under $17 per ounce, up about 3 cents on the day, low 1681, and the high on the day is 1711. There is no doubt today's upside move in gold was nice, and most importantly, what it told us was that we do have definitive support in the market along this trend line that we have had placed on our charts for over the last couple of weeks. My sense was that when this market broke out, I thought we would see a genuine breakout, and that, of course, was right in here. But I also said that we have another possibility, and that possibility is that what we're looking at is still roughly a 5 count, a very loose 5 count, very, very loose, because you get this going well out of the bounds of that upper level. But that being said, a case can be made for waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this fifth wave. Now, of course, the way that we would know that is that as this market would have to, of course, track higher, first of all, it would have to break above this long-standing resistance and actually take off from this point. In other words, what we would not want to see by any stretch of the imagination is the market simply clipping up. Now, the other thing, though, is that we are absolutely reaching any kind of an apex that we would get from these two lines. So we don't have, in terms of time, if you draw this time out, you're still looking through this week. Now, speaking about this week, we do have the FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee meeting, and that's scheduled to begin on Tuesday morning. It ends early Wednesday afternoon, and it will end with some sort of a statement. So traders are going to stay, I believe, on the edge of their seats as they await some sort of an announcement by the Fed. But my sense is that the Fed really is not going to ratchet up interest rates this month. Could be wrong, but that's my sense. So traders, a big picture, we're looking at a daily chart. Of course, this daily chart is highly compressed, and it is my belief, and the more that I look at these charts, it is absolutely my belief that we had a major break at the end of last year, beginning of this year. That concluded this subcount minor wave 1, and I do believe that wave 2 is a pennant formation or a compression triangle, as I stated. And I think that we have just concluded wave 2. Now, we'll have to see, because I've thought wave 2 has been concluded on another occasion, and I was not correct on that assumption. So let's see how that pans out throughout the week. However, that being said, if in fact this model holds some water, we should see a wave 3. And as I said, that wave 3 should take us above $1,300 per ounce in gold. And so traders, I do want to take a look at silver. Silver trading just under $17 an ounce. We have long positions in both gold and silver. And as far as silver goes, you can see we had a tremendous spike up last week, but it closed extremely far from that high. Look at this exaggerated high. You really see that on the dailies where you had sets of dojis in the market. We had talked about that. Now, here's what I'm looking at. We have our stops set well below 63. And so this, to me, right here is where we're looking at support. Support is absolutely, I believe, in silver, sitting at around 650, 653 in that area. At the same time, you have a series of tops that came in June and July of last year that took silver up to about 1760. You can see that right here. And so that's really the resistance right now that we are flirting with. My recommendations are to maintain your current long position in gold, maintain your current stop. Same with silver. Maintain your current long position in silver, maintain your stop. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.